In this video, I am going to show you guys how you can place an order on AliExpress without paying. Now, if you want to create an unpaid order, then this video is for you. Now, let's get started right now. First thing, guys, you want to search for the product that you want to buy, okay? Let's say that I want to buy gaming desk, okay? I'm going to click enter and I'm going to select a random product here. For example, this one. Now, next thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on buy, okay? Just act like you are going to buy it. Buy now. Let me modify this. Let me change this address to this one. Now, what you need to do, guys, you want to click on select payment method, okay? And click on add a new card. And you have to type this exact information. The card number is this one. I will leave this in the description of this video if you want to copy it from there. The card number, it is this one. The month and year, month is January, like 1, and this one year is 49. Okay, 49. And CVV, this is it, 730. Okay, and the name, it doesn't matter. Card holder name, you can just type your name there, it doesn't matter. Now after that, guys, you want to click on save and confirm, okay? And then you want to click on pay now. And that's exactly, you have successfully created Unpaid. Now go to my orders, and as you can see, it says here pay now. Now you can do this as many times as you want. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I would highly appreciate if you leave a comment saying thank you. It helps with YouTube algorithm. See you guys in the next video.